What is up, everybody? It is a God-blessed day. I'm so excited to be here to help you vibrate higher. Today, we're going to be doing our wonderful deep detox, sexy sculpt and stretch. So get ready to have the best practice ever. So I want to just let you know that today it's all about abundance. Today is all about abundance. Hi, Nina. Love you. We're doing our deep detox, sexy sculpt and stretch at 8 a.m. And I'm going to be focusing on abundance this week. You are a magnet for abundance, prosperity, and joy. Okay? And I'm actually going to take a little bit out of my book right here. Right now, I want you to put on your crown and roll out your red carpet. You are abundance. You are a VIP. You have the VIP power. And people take it from you. People want to rob you from it. People see your light and then they want it for themselves. But here, as your coach, I'm here to help you reclaim it and unleash it. Okay? So, a couple of quick announcements. First of all, we're giving away this $150 3-level vibrating foam roller by Monument Life Active Lifestyle Company that I powered up with. Jnl Worldwide Inc. has powered up with this company. We're moving the question and answers from tomorrow to Thursday. Okay, so not tomorrow, but Thursday at 2:30. So I will make further announcements about that. Send in your questions. We already have lots of questions. The reason being is that I have a conference call with the CEO, Mr. Bowie, of this company tomorrow, and I want to go over some preliminary information before we do the giveaway. So we're moving it to Thursday, okay? Hello. And then on Friday is our Jolt Of Jnl for our private group. I'm going to be talking all about abundance. So, no dream is too big when you believe you are a VIP. No dream is too big when you function in gratitude. Right now, repeat after me. I am receiving. I am downloading all that is mine. I am now willing, able, and ready to walk into my VIP power. I am so excited for my health, healing, and happiness. And I am excited for what the future holds, right? Right now, your daily affirmation is, I am a magnet for prosperity, abundance, and I vibrate higher, allowing all wealth, health, healing, and happiness to pour into my vessel, which is my body. My mind, body, and spirit are one. I am now ready to really reclaim what is mine, because I already knew it all along that I was meant for a higher calling. I already knew that I just stood out, that I was different, and I shunned that energy. I was scared of it. No longer are you scared of how awesome you are. Am I talking to you? Am I speaking to you right now? If you're feeling this, put a post, give me a thumbs. Let's break this algorithm, guys. That you are ready to now step into your true version of yourself, the best version of yourself, okay? So a lot of times we block our own success. Thank you. We block our own success. We block our own wealth. You know, I not only want you to have abundance financially, I want you to have abundant time to enjoy it. You see? A lot of people have so much money in the bank, but they're like that guy in the circus spinning those plates. Like here, left, right. And if one falls, it all comes falling down. They've set themselves up for failure, not success. So I want you to have unlimited abundance. And I want you to have a limited time to enjoy it. I want you to truly own your life. Not someone else owning it and you have to pay them just for another day. Okay? Today's practice is going to be amazing. I want you to go ahead and take the time to put a star on today's workout because it's going to be phenomenal. Do you believe we only have 10 days left of January? People are still scrambling around saying, new year, new you, what are my goals? I don't know. Oh my God. They're still in last year where you, my VIPs, have already jumped into your new year, a new decade, and you're cranked up with your VIP power. That's what I want. By the way, happy birthday to Susan Lozier. It's Susan Lozier's birthday. We are giving you this flower. We're giving you this beautiful flower. Happy birthday. We love you, Susan Lozier. God bless you. All right, in closing, guys, I'm just going to randomly open up this book and see what I get. Okay, here it is. I was once afraid of people saying, who does she think she is? Now, I have the courage to stand and say, this is who I am. Oh my God, I'm getting chills. Look. Oh my God, I got the goosies. This is so amazing. Woo! All right, guys. Live at 8 a.m. with our Deep Detox Sexy Sculpt and Stretch. You will need your foam rollers. You will need to be barefoot. And I'm so excited to help you truly stand in your own VIP power and not be afraid of it. I'm here to support you. I love you. Thank you, Nina. Thank you so much, Kavita Cat. Love you. Join our group. If you're a member, congratulations. If not, get that $1 together. Yes, it's $1. No tricks. This is not a multi-level marketing company. This is not some weird catty group of women. Oh, please, been there, done that. This is the real deal. This is authentic. Go to jnlvip.com. J for Jennifer, N for Nicole, L for Lee, VIP.com. And then it's only $24.99 every month after that. Let's do this. I believe in you. Woo! Love you.